Hey, week 2 post-op. Starting out just with the AC surgery. Uh, just giving you an update. Pain is still mild. I got a little bit of pain the other night. I figured out that ibuprofen works better for pain, but the hydrocodone, whatever the opioid drugs that's prescribed, it works better to rest. But it neither work really lately. One thing I've noticed since my surgery is I spend so much time sitting up, laying up that I have trouble sleeping at night. I sleep better in the daytime, actually. Uh, I mean, just get used to it. You're not gonna rest well. I mean, because you're not exerting any energy, so you're gonna have plenty of energy. I find myself laying in the bed at night, staring at the ceiling, trying to force myself to go to sleep. So that's one of the cons to being off your feet for however long you are. Looking forward to the next coming week. On entering my third week post op, going into my doctor. Hopefully, getting the cast off, getting my walking boots, so at least I be able to bear some weight. Uh, that's what I look forward to. Bathing. I at first I was taking a rag, wiping myself, but I ordered. Walgreens has the cast cover bag, so basically you can prop yourself in the tub, leave the foot with the cast out of the tub, but still put the bag on. And hey, best thing, like I felt so more comfortable, so much comfortable after I bathed, had a real bath. I was just feeling unclean, just I can't describe it, man. Get your cast bag, and also I'm thinking I'm gonna switch from my knee scooter to the iWalk. I think with the iWalk you get a little bit more mobility, so I'll let you know how that goes. That should be coming soon in the mail. Like I said, I'm at home all the time, so I'm ordering stuff off online, and you know how that goes. So also remember to keep your foot elevated, your Achilles tendon. You ever find out you're in pain, don't be so quick to pop the pain medicine. It may be because your foot's not elevated. And my wife had to remind me of that. So still continue to elevate and ice as often as you can. Uh, and that's all for week 2 that I can think of. And any questions, just let me know.